everyone. Welcome to yet another episode of Tam Talk #Tales. Today we have with us the power woman Prerna Singh. Prerna is the founder president of Promising Indian Society. The society has started a journey in the year 2017 and aims at connecting Indians from India and abroad. So welcome, Prerna.
Thank you so much for having me.
So thank you for coming in Tam Talk, Prerna. Prerna, as we all know that failures are the pillars of success, and I'm sure you have also faced a lot of failures. So would like you to share with us one such failure and how you have steered it towards success.
Amanna, thank you so much for having me at your show. And first of all, I would like to congratulate you for this endeavor, which is a result of lockdown, I guess. So, talking about my failure, it's very difficult for me to find failure for myself or my organization. But yes, there was one major challenge which I faced was my shyness. I am not a public personality, but now you can see me everywhere, talking to media, talking to you in public. So in 2017, when I started my entrepreneurship journey, it was very difficult for me to make people understand my vision, what I wanted them to join my organization or join my vision. I had to speak a lot, and it was so difficult for me because, I have never faced public. And someone who is always into her thoughts, her dreams, suddenly is exposed to the world. So any entrepreneur which faces such issue is a major challenge, and I have successfully overcome it. Now I can talk at length for good 45-50 minutes to you without any hiccup.
So the point is, how did you do this? How did you overcome this? So one tip, how did you do this?
So I am a avid reader. I used to read a lot, but when it comes to expressing my views, it was difficult. So when I started reading few things and started listening to all the motivational speakers, and you also sometimes when you used to share your training and your videos at Facebook, I can see. So when I started talking and started rehearsing my public, that fear went off. So it vanished, I must say.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Great. Okay. So now let's talk about Promising Indian Society. Would like to know more about it from you.
Yeah. So Promising Indian Society is a thought. It's a platform to connect Indians globally. So that happened as a coincidence. I visited one event which was meant for Pravasi Bhartiyas, and there I met a lot of people who had different visions. They wanted to contribute to countries' development, and they were NRI, but they were not getting an active platform to raise their voices, to understand their business perspective. Moreover, they wanted to give back to the society where they belong.
Okay.
But it was, so there was a communication gap between NRIs, PIOs and eminent Indians. So by starting this Promising Indian Society, I tried to bridge that gap. And I would rather say in 3 years' time, we have connected over 60,000 NRIs, and we are coming up with the application of Promising Indians. Yeah, so
wow.
Which we can connect Indians, and they can chat, and they can connect to their fellow Indians living in different parts of the world who are scattered, who don't know whom to connect in which country. So we'll start with 5 countries initially for the application, and gradually we will move on.
Wow, wonderful. That is why I call you Power Woman, Prerna. That's wonderful, Prerna.
Thank you so much.
Yes. So now time for rapid fire round, as we already discussed. So you will not get time to answer. I just ask you the question and you have to answer. So question number 1: who you think is more powerful, man or woman?
Woman.
Question number 2: what do you think? Lockdown is good or bad?
good or bad at the same time. So yeah, it's a balance between good and bad.
Okay. That was wonderful, Prerna. Okay, and my last question to you is that give some tips to everybody out there who wants to make certain difference in people's lives.
So, one thing which I have followed and I would like people also to follow is at least make three people smile in a day. That will not cost you anything. By your good gesture, by supporting them, could be financially to your house help or someone who is at the road, somebody who is struggling to cross the road who is blind, you can support that person. So if each one of us take a oath to make people happy, then everyone would be happy in this world.
So sweet, so noble, and so beautiful. Such a beautiful thought. Very beautiful. Okay, so thank you so much, Prerna. And for the viewers out there, this is Prerna Singh, a founder, president, Promising Indian. If you want to know more about Promising Indian Society, there is a link which I am sharing also. You can click in that link and you can also visit their website and you can have more and more information about it and you can connect. And as of now, you can also log in to www.tamannas.net for training, for coaching and learning. Do not forget to visit my learning platform, which is Tales, which has got books and magazines and journals and a lot of ebooks. And you can also stay connected with me on the go. Download Wix app and give the code ZLIEAX. Let's stay connected on LinkedIn, on Facebook and Instagram. And please do not forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, which is Tamanna Training and Transformation. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, take care, and bye. Thank you, Prerna. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye bye.